Hi, thanks for coming to my channel. I'm your Everyday Joe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you another one of my simple recipes in the Power Air Fry oven. Today's recipe, we're going to be making bacon cheddar cornbread muffins, so stay tuned. The ingredients we're going to be needing for the bacon cheddar corn muffins is 1 box of the pre-mixed corn muffin mix, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of bacon, 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. All right, so we are going to be using this Jiffy corn muffin mix. I find it's pretty easy. It basically has all the ingredients you need. It's got the flour in it, cornmeal, a little bit of sugar, some shortening in it. So it's pretty much everything you need for it. So we're going to make this real simple. We're just going to dump that out. And this cornbread muffin, or the muffin mix, is going to be making about 6 to 8 muffins. I'm going to be using smaller muffins, so we might get a few more out of it. So we get the mix in there. I'm just going to make sure I break it up a little bit. I don't want any lumps. Okay, I want to smooth it out just a little bit. Maybe just get in there with your hands and just break it up a little bit. Just make sure there's no thick lumps in there. Okay, that should be good. Now we're going to be adding our cheddar cheese. I'm using white cheddar, so we put that in there. Some fresh cooked bacon, which I made this morning. So put that in there, all chopped. It's a smoky bacon. This is our milk. We're just going to pour it. Again, this goes together real easy. We're just going to pour everything in. Our 1 egg, room temperature egg. I'm just going to break it up a little bit. Okay, and get that in there. All right, and we're just going to mix it up a little bit, just to get all the liquids incorporated. We're going to add maybe a tablespoon or so, a little bit of parsley, not too much parsley in there. That's going to add a little bit of that color, the green color to it. So just give it a mix. You just want to mix until everything's incorporated and you have like a wet mixture. You don't want to overwork it. I don't think you need to. Okay, and that's, we're almost there, maybe another few seconds here. Just want to make sure everything is nice wet batter. Okay, and it looks like we got most of it here. Okay, so we're going to just put that aside. Let's get these out of the way here. I'm going to bring my tin here, and these little aluminum tins, they fit really well in the Power Air Fry oven. It just slides right in, doesn't get caught up on the shelves or on the edges, and the door closes nicely. So I like using this size here for any muffins. Okay, so just want to make sure we get the same amount in all of them. So put that on the right side. Okay, and just pour that in there. Now you can use bigger ones if you want. If you'll be making this in the oven, the only difference is you're going to adjust the temperature, time and temperature. Okay, that's 2. Okay, 3. And it looks like we're probably going to get more than these small 6 here. If you're using larger ones, you're probably going to get 6 out of that. I'm going to try to fit them all in here anyway. So we're going to fill them up. I know they're going to kind of blow up a little bit, give you a little muffin tops on them. So it's okay. Well, we can break them apart afterwards. So we're just going to make sure we fill them all in to the top. Okay. So it looks like I will actually get 6 out of here, this size here. Okay. And I think think we have it all here, or as much as we're going to get. Okay, take that out. Grab a paper towel. I'm just going to wipe off any additional here just to clean it up a little bit. I'm not going to worry too much about them burning because this is a throwaway muffin tin. So we're going to give it a little tap down, make sure it all settles. Okay, so now I'm going to get it in the power air fry oven at about 350 for about 12 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to keep an eye on it. We don't want to burn the tops or anything. So I'm going to get them into the power air fry oven and I'll show you what they look like when they come out. All right, so I've got the muffin tin and it slides right in. Push it all the way to the end there so you can see it's not getting caught in there at all. So we're going to close the door. Power's on. Go to bake 350 and we're going to set that to about 15 minutes. Actually we'll go 12. I'm going to set that to about 12 minutes. Hit the light and it's going to start. Here you go, and I'll show you what they look like when they come out. All right, well, just got done. Let's take a look at them. Nice brown topping here. You have a nice and golden brown on the top. So I'm gonna get these onto the cutting board and let them cool for a little bit. All right, so now they've been sitting around for about 5 or 10 minutes. Still kind of warm, but I took one, so I'm gonna put some butter on it. So you can't have corn muffins without the butter. So I'm just gonna cut that in half here. And you can see it's still pretty warm. You can see the cheese in there and the pieces of bacon and parsley. That looks really good. It smells really good too. So I'm just gonna take some butter because you gotta butter the muffins in order for them to taste better, right? Okay, so we're just gonna spread that on. Okay, so here you have it. We're gonna give it a taste here. Real good. You can taste the bacon flavor in it. The cheese really comes out. Really good. Those are real good. If you give this recipe a shot, let me know. I'm going to post some links down in the description section here. Check it out. Also, check out my book. It's on Amazon, Air Fryers Cookbook for Beginners. It's about 40 or so recipes in there from this channel that we put together into this book. Take a look at it. I'll put a link in the description below. If you do decide to get it, leave me some comments and give me some ratings on it. I'd like to see what you guys think on it. Also, we'll have some more videos here on the side. YouTube will put in from the playlist here. So again, thanks for watching the video, and hope you enjoy the recipe. I'll see you in the next video.